This is the way that I organize my fabrics. On the width of the fabric, fold it and cut it in 2/4. Then let her rip. I tear it the entire length of fabric. Tear it also at that middle fold. What I use for the core of the roll is corrugated plastic, which is the same thing that a lot of political signs are made from. I cut it at about 2 inches. And I just start rolling it up. Placing that ruler there helps keep everything evenly distributed. I tension it just a little bit to remove any wrinkles or folded edges. On that ruler, I'm just pressing down slightly. Just add the other 3 pieces in the same manner. Okay, now I've got several mini bolts rolled up of these cute florals. I want you to see how easy it is to just stack them up to get ready for cutting for your project. The 11-inch width makes this perfect for using your 10-inch square ruler to cut out your own layer cake squares to use in your projects.